Hey guys, I'm going to talk to you about writing a synthesis essay for a little bit. Um, you'll be given a topic and you'll have to have this done by Tuesday. So, a synthesis essay is not much different than an argumentative essay that we've already written. The only difference is this time you're going to be researching and finding evidence to support your argument. This is not a summary. This is just using existing knowledge or finding sources to help your argument, help prove um, whatever your thesis is, to help prove it right or wrong. So the writing process would be the same as with any other essay. You're going to do your pre-writing, and then do your first draft, revising, editing, and then publishing. So the only site that I'm going to allow you to gather sources from is the Alabama Virtual Library. The reason for this is sources from other websites, especially Wikipedia, can be misleading or even incorrect. So all you'll have to do is when you go look at the slideshow in the Quarter 2 Week 5 folder, click on this link. It'll take you to the Alabama Virtual Library. You can simply just type in whatever it is you're researching. So you would just type it in here. So if you were researching something, let's say abortion, you would just type it in right there, click, and then it'll come up lots of articles that will give you information on whatever it is you need to know about your topic. If you if I find out that your sources are not from the Alabama Virtual Library, you will lose major points for that. So don't do that. Yes, you have to write 5 paragraphs. You know the formula. We've done this before. You have your introduction, 3 body paragraphs, and your conclusion. Remember that in your introduction, along with your thesis statement, which basically tells what your position is on the argument, you need the first sentence of the first paragraph should always be your hook. This should not be a question. You're not asking me questions of what I think or, whatever, because that would imply that you want an answer and you don't. So you're going to use a maybe some type fact or something, clever or, interesting about the topic to put as your hook. And then before your thesis, you're going to have background or relevance, of the topic, and then your thesis. Then you have your 3 body paragraphs. The first 2 should present information in support of the thesis. And then your last could be the counter argument that we've done before. But all paragraphs should have a topic, sentence, examples that support your article, and this is the sources, and a concluding sentence. Last, you'll have your conclusion. We all know what this is. This is just simply a summary of the essay. This should be written in MLA format. That means 12-point font in Times New Roman, and it should be double spaced. You need your citing in the source, in the text. That means after you write the sentence, it should be in quotations. And then you should have a parentheses with whatever website you got that information from. Pay attention to your grammar and your sentence variety. That means you should have some long sentences, some, compound sentences, and things like that.